So it's raining and the golf course is pretty much closed. So we're gonna pop down here, see if we can hit something really fast. Can't go wrong with the dungeon. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh, nice bass. Alright. Largemouth. See you, bud. Alright, it's raining. It's raining pretty good. Got it. Oh yeah. He's in a trash bag. Oh my gosh. He's in a trash bag. I've never caught a bass and that was like ended up in a trash bag before. What the heck? Look at that though. We got him. All right. Thank you for flying with Treehood Airlines. Oh, gotcha. Oh yeah. Trace. Number 3. Oh yeah. Oh well, there he goes. Yeah, no, these are all totally wild native bass. Yeah, these are like the most exclusive. This is an exclusive protected fishery. So these definitely aren't like mutant fish. Oh, this is a good spot. Let's get Steve over here. What? One more. Had the wind at my back there. Okay, gotcha. There it is. Subtle. All right, that'll do. Whoa, come on, dude. Chill out. All right, let's wrap this up. All right, so that'll do it. It's getting a little wet, a little chilly. We caught what? 5 bass, 6 bass? I don't know, I think it was 5. But yeah, chilly, rainy, got them all on the dungeon. And yeah, that'll wrap it up for today. So thanks for following along. Thanks for coming down to the pond with me on this dreary evening, and check it out next time. Please go fishing. You owe it to yourself. You know, you got some free time? Get off YouTube and get to the pond, river, lake, ocean, whatever you got. Go do it. Cheers. I'll catch you later. Out.